Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now as you can see here, the notification section top there. Now we got the selected the droplets. We can change it here or just click to more, and here you can see a lot of notification different sounds, and you can apply them just by click once on each of the sounds here. For example, we can go with this one or just with this, with beep. So now just go back here. You can see here the message that this tone applied successfully, and here on the notification section you can also see the changes in the sound name. So that's it, that's how to change notification sound on our Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.